Bonjour and welcome back. This week we'll be talking about structure 1, 2. In this week we'll be talking about questions, simple questions, to identify people and things. Our questions are going to be, who is it, what is it, and is it a fill in the blank. Let's start off with who is it. To ask who it is, we simply ask, qui est? Now, this is a little confusing for English speakers at first because it doesn't look like what it sounds like. Unfortunately, this kind of is something we have to get used to in French. The question qui est is spelled Q-U-I-E-S-T-C-E. All of that boils down to qui est. The answer, c'est Paul. If I want to ask what something is, I can say qu'est-ce que c'est? Try practicing that out loud. Qu'est-ce que c'est? All of this expression here is asking, qu'est-ce que c'est? My answer, my sample answer, is c'est un livre. It's a book. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un livre. If I want to ask a question with an is it start off, I can turn any sentence into that question by simply putting est-ce que at the beginning of it. For example, est-ce que c'est Richard? Is it Richard? Est-ce que c'est une table? Is it a table? My normal sentence here would be c'est Richard. It's Richard. Or c'est une table. It's a table. By to make this into a question, I simply add est-ce que at the beginning, and that turns it into a question where the answer will be either yes or no. I'm not asking about Richard's hair, or I'm not asking what Richard drives to work. I'm just saying, is it Richard? The answer is going to be yes or no. Is it a table? Again, yes or no. My phrase, my sentence, c'est Richard. To make a question, est-ce que c'est Richard? My phrase or sentence, c'est une table. My question, est-ce que c'est une table? So I could say, est-ce qu'il est étudiant? Is he a student? And of course, this is the same kind of question we were just looking at. The only difference here is that you can see that this is a contraction. I've shortened it with an apostrophe. The reason we do that is because in French, we don't put two vowels together. I'll go back to my preceding slide. Here, I do not have two vowels together. And I don't here either. However, in the second example, because I've got he, is he a student, and that word he, il, begins with a vowel, I'm going to shorten or contract my que down to Q-U apostrophe. Est-ce qu'il est étudiant? Is he a student? And my answer, of course, is oui,